Hey everyone, welcome back to Nobichin CTV, your go-to channel for everything about the fascinating world of the ocean. Today, we're diving deep to discover the top 5 smartest sea animals. You'll be surprised to see just how intelligent marine creatures can be. From problem-solving skills to incredible memory, these sea animals will leave you in awe. Number 5. Dolphins, the social geniuses. Dolphins are often considered the intellectual elites of the ocean, and for good reason. These highly social and communicative marine mammals possess remarkable cognitive abilities that rival those of primates. Complex communication system. Dolphins have a sophisticated language that includes clicks, whistles, and body movements. Each dolphin even has a unique signature whistle, like a name, that helps them identify one another. Problem solving and cooperation. They are masters of teamwork, often working together to herd fish into tight groups for easier hunting. Some dolphins even use bubble nets to trap prey, a strategy that requires planning and coordination. Playful and emotionally intelligent. Their playful behavior, such as surfing waves and playing with objects, is more than just fun, it demonstrates cognitive flexibility and curiosity. Dolphins have also been observed comforting distressed individuals and showing empathy toward injured or sick companions. Self-awareness and learning. Dolphins are among the few animals that have passed the mirror test, meaning they recognize themselves in reflections. This indicates a high level of self-awareness, a trait linked to advanced intelligence, tool use, and cultural learning. Some dolphin populations exhibit cultural behaviors, such as teaching younger generations to use marine sponges as protective tools while foraging on rough seabeds. This transfer of knowledge showcases their ability to learn from experience and pass down skills, a rare trait in the animal kingdom. One of the most incredible dolphin behaviors is their ability to work with humans. In places like Brazil, wild dolphins have been observed signaling fishermen when and where to cast their nets, ensuring both parties get a share of the catch. This unique collaboration is a testament to their adaptability and intelligence. Number 4. Octopuses, the escape artists. Octopuses are often considered the Houdinis of the sea, thanks to their extraordinary problem-solving skills and ability to escape from even the most secure enclosures. But their intelligence goes far beyond simple escapes. Masters of camouflage. Octopuses can change the color, texture, and even shape of their bodies in an instant, allowing them to blend perfectly with their surroundings. This incredible ability is not just for defense, but also for hunting and communication. Tool users. Some octopuses have been observed using coconut shells, and rocks as shields or shelters. This demonstrates advanced problem-solving skills and the ability to manipulate objects in their environment. Remarkable memory. Studies have shown that octopuses possess both short and long-term memory. They can recall solutions to puzzles, remember individual humans, and even distinguish between different caretakers in aquariums. Escape artists, octopuses are famous for their incredible flexibility. With no bones in their bodies, they can squeeze through the tiniest cracks and openings. Some have been known to slip through aquarium pipes, open locked containers, and even sneak into neighboring tanks to steal food. One of the most famous octopus escape stories involves Inky, the octopus, who made headlines when he broke out of his enclosure at the National Aquarium of New Zealand. Inky squeezed through a small gap, slithered across the floor, and found a drain pipe leading back to the ocean. This daring escape left scientists and marine enthusiasts in awe of octopus intelligence. But their problem-solving skills aren't limited to escaping. In the wild, octopuses have been seen engaging in complex hunting strategies, such as mimicking other animals to confuse predators or prey. Some even use their arms independently to explore and manipulate objects while their body remains hidden. With their incredible adaptability, intelligence, and cunning survival skills, octopuses prove that brains can beat brawn in the ocean. Their fascinating behaviors continue to be studied by scientists, unlocking new secrets about these mysterious sea creatures. Number 3. Sea otters, the clever tool. Users. Sea otters are more than just adorable, they are ingenious problem solvers with impressive survival skills that showcase their intelligence. Tool use. Sea otters are one of the few non-primate animals known to use tools. They use rocks as hammers and anvils to crack open the hard shells of clams, mussels, and sea urchins, a skill they learn from their mothers at an early age. Memory and strategic thinking. These clever mammals remember which tools work best for breaking different types of shells, and some even store their favorite tools in small pouches under their armpits for later use. Social intelligence. Sea otters exhibit strong social bonds. They often float together in large groups called rafts, sometimes holding hands while sleeping to prevent drifting apart. This behavior reflects their cooperative nature and emotional intelligence. Survival adaptations. Unlike other marine mammals, sea otters rely on their dense fur rather than a layer of blubber to keep warm in freezing waters. To maintain insulation, they spend hours grooming themselves, keeping their fur clean and waterproof. Environmental awareness. As keystone species, sea otters help maintain the balance of their ecosystems by controlling sea urchin populations, preventing the destruction of kelp forests. Their role in the ecosystem demonstrates an innate understanding of their environment. One particularly astonishing example of sea otter intelligence is their ability to learn from observation. Studies have shown that otters can watch and mimic behaviors from other otters, even picking up new techniques for breaking into shellfish. This ability to learn from peers highlights their advanced cognitive abilities. With their remarkable use of tools, social intelligence, and problem-solving skills, sea otters prove that intelligence isn't just about survival, it's also about adaptability and innovation. Number 2. Manta rays, the wise giants. Manta rays are the gentle giants of the sea, known for their intelligence, curiosity, and problem-solving abilities. Despite their enormous size, these creatures possess some of the most advanced cognitive abilities among fish. Largest brain among fish. Manta rays hold the title for the largest brain-to-body ratio of any fish, allowing them to process complex information, make decisions, and adapt to their environment effectively. Self-awareness and recognition. Studies suggest that manta rays have the ability to recognize themselves in mirazan, advanced cognitive traits shared with dolphins, elephants, and great apes. This demonstrates self-awareness, a sign of high intelligence, curiosity, and playfulness. Unlike many other marine animals, manta rays exhibit a keen sense of curiosity. They frequently approach divers, interact with objects, and even seem to enjoy the sensation of swimming through bubbles. These behaviors hint at an ability to engage with the world beyond mere survival instincts. Long-term memory and navigation. Manta rays are capable of remembering specific locations, feeding grounds, and even individual divers. Some scientists believe they use cognitive maps to navigate the vast ocean, returning to familiar places year after year. Complex social behaviors. Though often seen gliding alone, manta rays also form loose social groups, where they engage in coordinated movements and even cooperative hunting strategies. They exhibit a level of social intelligence that's rarely seen in fish. One of the most astonishing aspects of manta rays is their ability to form bonds with humans. Divers who frequently visit manta cleaning stations report that certain rays seem to recognize them, displaying trust and even playful behavior. With their exceptional intelligence, problem-solving skills, and social awareness, manta rays truly deserve the title of the wise giants of the ocean. Number 1. Whales, the ocean's wisest giants. Whales are often regarded as the wisest giants of the ocean, possessing remarkable intelligence, deep social connections, and even emotional depth. Their cognitive abilities are among the most advanced in the animal kingdom. Complex communication. Whales communicate through a variety of sounds, including songs, clicks, and whistles. Some whale species, like humpbacks, create intricate songs that can travel for miles across the ocean. These songs change over time, suggesting a form of cultural evolution, social intelligence, and strong bonds. Many whale species live in close-knit pods where they cooperate in hunting, protect one another, and even mourn their dead. Killer whales, orcas, have been observed carrying their deceased calves for days, showing signs of deep emotional attachment. Problem-solving and hunting strategies. Different whale species develop and pass down unique hunting techniques. For example, humpback whales use a strategy called bubble net feeding, where they work together to trap fish in a spiral of bubbles. Before taking turns feeding, orcas, on the other hand, exhibit astonishing teamwork, using coordinated attacks to hunt seals, fish, and even other whales. Memory and learning. Whales have excellent long-term memory, allowing them to navigate vast oceanic distances and return to the same feeding and breeding grounds. Year after year, some scientists believe that older whales act as leaders in pods, guiding younger members based on their stored knowledge of food sources and safe migration routes. Self-awareness and emotional intelligence. Whales have been shown to exhibit self-awareness, recognizing themselves in mirrors, a trait linked to advanced cognitive abilities. Additionally, they display signs of empathy, cooperation, and even grief, making them some of the most emotionally complex creatures in the sea. One of the most mind-blowing discoveries about whales is their ability to pass down traditions. Different pods of orcas have distinct cultures, with unique vocal dialects, hunting methods, and behaviors that are taught to younger generations, just like human traditions. With their extraordinary intelligence, deep emotional capacity, and ability to form lifelong bonds, whales rightfully earn the title of the ocean's wisest giants. Wow, these animals prove that intelligence comes in many forms in the ocean. From the clever problem-solving octopus to the emotionally complex whales, the sea is full of incredible minds. Which of these animals amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another deep dive into the wonders of the ocean. Thanks for watching Nobitchin CTV. See you in the next edition.